Okay, so today we're looking at Earth geometry. Well, these are calculations on the Earth. It's a grade 12 topic, G12. Okay, now we are just going direct to the main points, the secrets on how you can solve this. You know, the Earth, generally the Earth, before I even explain about the Earth, okay, first, the Earth is spherical, like this. This is how it appears. But calculations can be done, so the lines that run from here going downwards, these lines are called, you see these lines that go like this. These lines, what do you call them? That run from north to south. If I draw another line again from north, I go all the way to south. Again, I draw that line again from north to south. So this is the north, this is the south. These ones that move from north to south, they are called, they move from north to south, they are called longitudinal lines. They are called longitudinal. They're called longitudes in short. Longitudes. They move from north to south. They move from north to south. So longitudinal lines move from north to south. Okay. What about latitudes? If this is a Earth, latitudes, they move from south. This is where they move. They move from east to west, or west to east. So they move this side, west to east. They move from west to east, west to east, west to east. Any line that moves. This is the east side, this is the west side. Any line that moves from west to east is called a latitude. A latitude. Okay, but in the exam, don't ask you about what's the north, what's the latitude, what's the longitude. Don't ask you this. I just thought of telling you so that you understand. They'll ask you calculations. Now, you know, in mathematics, you learned about the number line. You need to know this number line, eh? Okay? Where do you know this is east, this is west, this is the north on top there, this is south. You need to know this. Okay? And then on the number line, this side is the x coordinate. On the number line, this is the x coordinate. In this direction is x coordinate. When you are going upwards, upwards is these lines that go upwards like this are called the y coordinate. So that's how you pick the lines. You always pick x, y. That's how you plot. For example, if this was the Earth for you, I've put for you this is the Earth, and then I draw a line like this. Okay? I draw a line like this, and then I draw another one like this. And then I put a point here. Let's say I name this point as the P. Okay, so this line, this side, I'll name it 50 degrees north. Okay, and then this line, I'll name it 30 degree east. Okay, and then they tell me what is the position of P. The question is, what is the position of P? What is the position of P? Okay, what is the position of P? So I come there. I said when naming, you always go x coordinate and then y coordinate. That's how you do it. When you're naming the position, you go x coordinate, comma, y coordinate. That's how you label them. X, comma, y. So which one is the x direction? X coordinate here is what? X coordinate here is what? So this line coming like this one is X coordinate. Why? Because this is the X direction, X coordinate. So this line is the X coordinate. So meaning it will be 50 north. I'll start with the X coordinate, 50 north, 50 degree north, comma. Y coordinate is a line that is, you see Y is in this direction. This is Y. On the number line, the lines that come from on top going downwards are Y coordinate lines. Okay? They are Y coordinate lines. So it means my Y coordinate is what? 30 degrees east. 30 degrees east. Okay? 30 degrees east. Okay? So this is the point. So in short, 50 degree north, the position is 50 degrees north, comma, 30 degrees east in brackets. This is the position of the answer. You always go and then pick the X coordinate and the Y coordinate, where they intersect. That's why you pick. That's why we picked the X and the Y coordinate. Have you seen the intersecting here? P, this is where P is intersecting. So in this direction, in the X direction, it's 50. In the Y direction, it is 30. So 50 in the X direction, comma, 30 in the Y direction.